to crop any images on your Android mobile phone, all you have to do is to locate that photo that you have always wanted to crop but you could not. Here is the chance to do that. Locate the photo, but in my case I won't use the phone gallery, but I'll be using file manager for a precise images viewing. So I'm using my file manager to locate the desired photo I wish to crop. For your understanding, locate the photo. This is the photo I want to crop. When you open the photo, the next thing you have to do is to click on edit. Check out the bottom of your screen to locate edit. Here's the edit. Click on edit. When you click on edit, the next thing you have to do is click on crop. Here is crop. Use your cursor to draw to your desired size. Also use the down menu to draw to your desired size. When you are done, check your top far right hand of your screen to locate the tick option. Here is it. Click on it. You see that it has resized the photo to your desired size. Click on the tick logo again. Here is it at the top far right hand of your screen. To complete the cropping process, you can see the picture has been successfully cropped. Don't forget to rewatch this video in case you have missed any action. Subscribe to this channel, latest tech. Like this video, share it to your friends. Drop any comments, any question you have. Don't forget that this channel houses other interesting videos. See you in our next video.